Hello and welcome to English Time YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful Urdu to English sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. मुझे परवाह नहीं. I don't care. I don't care. नाराज मत हो. Don't mind. Don't mind. ये मुनासिब वक्त है. It is high time. It is high time. ये काफ़ी है. It is enough. It is enough. दोबारा बोलो. Say again. Say again. मदद करने का शुक्रिया. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. No need. No need. मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. I don't know. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे वापस दो. Give it back. Give it back. अपना सवाल पूछो. Ask your question. Ask your question. इसे छोड़ दो. Give it up. Give it up. खुद पर भरोसा रखो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.